If you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen making dinner, then you'll love this chicken and broccoli stir fry. It's one of our quick and easy 20-minute meals recipes. We're taking diced, boneless, skinless chicken breast with broccoli florets, sliced mushrooms, onions, carrots, and a homemade stir-fry sauce, and making a savory meal for 4 people. We'll plate the stir-fry on white rice and serve the dish with hot sake. It's a taste of Asia in the kitchen tonight. Chicken and broccoli stir-fry, a quick and easy 20-minute meals recipe. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight we're making chicken and broccoli stir fry, one of our quick and easy 20-minute meals recipes. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, pan-seared on high heat and sunflower oil with onions, mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, and a tangy stir-fry sauce, served with sushi rice and garnished with sesame seeds. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut and diced, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, a pound of broccoli florets, 1 chopped yellow onion, 4 ounces of sliced carrots, 8 ounces of sliced white mushrooms, salt, pepper, and sesame seeds to taste. For the stir-fry sauce, we'll need a cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And for the rice, we'll need a cup of sushi rice, 2 cups of chicken stock, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Since the rice takes 20 minutes to cook, let's get the rice going first. Add the 2 cups of chicken stock to a small pot, add in a piece of butter, pour in the rice, stir it to ensure that nothing is sticking. Then bring it to a simmer, cover, and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Next, let's prep the stir-fry sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, add in the chicken stock, the soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and black pepper, and stir everything together and set the bowl aside. The veggies are next. Slice the onion, broccoli, mushrooms, and carrots if they are whole. While we encourage you to buy everything fresh and slice it yourself, grocery stores do have all of these items fresh and pre-sliced, which will save you some time. And finally, if your chicken breasts are whole, slice those into dices or bite-sized pieces. Depending on your grocery store, some meat departments will dice the chicken for you, which saves even more time. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. In a large reduction pan or a wok, add in a few tablespoons of sunflower oil and turn the heat up to medium-high. A quick note about our cooking time. In order to keep this recipe under 20 minutes, you would need to use 2 pans, one for the chicken and one for the veggies. By cooking the chicken and the veggies simultaneously in 2 separate pans, you'd shave off about 10 minutes of cooking time. If, however, time is not an issue, you could use 1 pan like we're doing here. Place the chicken into the pan and cook each piece for about 4 minutes. And then flip the chicken over and cook the other side for another 4 minutes. Stir the chicken up in the pan and continue cooking and browning the remaining few sides, and then place the cooked chicken into a bowl. In the same pan, add a few more tablespoons of sunflower oil, and then add in the onions, mushrooms, broccoli, and carrots. Season to taste with salt and pepper and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how tender and crispy you like your vegetables. Time to add in the stir-fry sauce. Whisk the sauce before you pour it back into the pan to ensure that everything is mixed thoroughly. Cook the veggies for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-low heat while stirring. Add the cooked chicken back into the pan and mix it into the vegetables. Season to taste with salt, pepper, and sesame seeds. After about a minute, the stir-fry should be heated and ready to serve. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, chicken and broccoli stir fry. Diced chicken breast cooked with onions, mushrooms, broccoli, and carrots with a sweet and savory stir fry sauce and served over white rice. It was a taste of Asia in the kitchen tonight. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.